Aisha, if it's your first time here. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about some money, because a lot of people think that YouTube don't pay, because I've been on Instagram, I've seen videos gone viral, and people in the comments that say, oh, go get a job, oh, whatever. But let me tell you, sis, you can make money on YouTube, okay? So I wouldn't say successful YouTubers. I am semi-successful, okay? I'm semi-successful. So I'm getting a coin, I'm getting a bag. I'm not get a big bag, but I'm getting a little nap snack. And so basically I'm just gonna tell you guys the process, just basically stuff like that, just how much I make on YouTube, or how much you can make on YouTube, because really and truly it's not like a day job that has a specific rate. It's kind of weird to rate yourself, but yeah, you can really make money on YouTube. Like, there's persons that only do YouTube, like that's their job. That's what I want to do with my life, but we have to wait upon time. But anyways, the first thing that you need to do in order to get monetized is, man, you need to have a YouTube channel, right? There's no way YouTube is gonna pay you if you don't have a channel. So you need to have a YouTube channel. 2, you need to have content. I mean, duh. There's no way that we can pay you if you don't got content. So you need a YouTube channel, you need content, and you need to be getting one decent amount of views. I don't get a lot of views, like, generally. I have a couple of videos that do well, but I put out a lot of content. I have like 170 something videos the last time I checked, and I would have had more. I've been doing YouTube for 3 years. I would have had more if I was consistent, but there's a couple times in between where I'm not consistent, but just flat out stop posting. But yeah, the first thing after having the channel, having the content, you're gonna need to create what is called an AdSense account. And Google Adsense is not just for YouTube. It's, if you're a blogger and you use blogger.com, you can use AdSense to monetize your site as well. So it's not just for YouTube. It's more commonly known for YouTube, but it's not just for YouTube. I have a blog spot, a little blog page that I actually started out doing before I turned to YouTube. But I need more content on there before I'm able to make money, so it's something I need to focus on. But anyways, so you need to get your Google Adsense account, and then you're gonna connect it to your YouTube channel, or connect it to your YouTube. When that is done, it's like an ID that it gives you. So every specific YouTuber has an AdSense ID. Alright, so after you create the AdSense account, you connect it to your YouTube, you're gonna be sent, hold on, let me just cover my information. You're gonna be sent one of these. You're gonna be sent a letter. It's actually an AdSense code. And basically right now, in order to be monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 hours of watch time. So how watch time is actually calculated, say for example, you get 200 views on a video and they watch that video for 5 minutes. So it's gonna be 5 times the 200. So that's 1,000 views. Yeah, I have to check it on my hand. That's 1,000 views. So you're gonna divide that 1,000 by 60, and I'm not gonna do the calculation in my head right now, but if you divide the 1,000 by 60, because I mean 60 minutes is an hour, that is how many hours of watch time you got from that specific video. So that's how watch time is calculated. So you need 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. You need 1,000 subscribers, and subscribers are so much easier to get than watch time. If you're starting out on YouTube, focus on the watch time. The subscribers will come. So yeah, after you get your subscribers, after you get your little watch time and stuff, then you get the letter. And on, was it on Google AdSense? On Google AdSense, it's gonna send you a code, by the way. In the letter, it has a code. Let me show you. I'm not gonna show you guys the code even though I'm already verified, but this is what the inside is gonna look like. So it says your Google Adsense personal identification number, your PIN. By the way, the PIN takes around 2 weeks to 3 weeks to come, but because of COVID it might be extended. I received mine in no time, and if you don't receive it, you can always request a new one, but you're given like 3 chances to try the PIN. So please, if you don't receive the PIN, don't try guess nothing. You will lose your account. Okay, so yeah, after you validate the PIN, it's basically gonna say okay, you do that. You need to validate like your tax information, and then that's basically how you start getting paid.
Okay guys, so before the video goes any further in regards to getting paid from YouTube, there are a couple payment methods. They used to have Western Union. There is no longer that option, but they have direct bank transfer. I think they have a check, and I'm not remembering what the other payment method is, but they do have a couple payment methods. If you do live, for example, like in Jamaica, like me, when you do receive the money, you are going to be charged a fee because you're collecting US dollars in a Jamaican account.
And how we as YouTubers get paid is with advertisements. Manoa, the advertisement them are 9 sometime and you don't want to watch the full thing. But if you support somebody and you really love somebody and you want to put a little money in our pocket for Christmas, please watch the ads, guys. Please watch the ads. And that is basically how we make money. So the longer you watch the ad, or if, for example, say there's a Fashion Nova ad and you click on the ad and you purchase something, that's basically how we as YouTubers get paid. Create a channel, create content, create your AdSense account, get it validated, get your tax information validated, get views, get paid. That's basically it. That is basically it. It is absolutely so easy. For me personally, I've been on YouTube for, I think I said this before, for about 3 years. When I just started YouTube, there wasn't like a specific amount of anything that you needed. You just need to create your AdSense account and connect it to your YouTube, and you know, you're monetized. I was monetized before, but I wasn't making any money at all. But this time around, since I've gotten monetized, I've been monetized for 2 months now. Since I've gotten monetized, I have made a bag. So my first payment was, I'm not giving you this information to brag. I'm not giving you this information to boast. I just want to show you guys that you can make money on YouTube. My first payment was $360. I don't remember how much my second payment was, but as I said, it's not a set amount. This month you can make $360, next month you can make $600. You just gotta be consistent and post videos that people actually want to watch, and just make sure your heart's in it, because if your heart isn't in it, you're not gonna get motivated, you're not gonna want to post. I mean, people are gonna sense that you don't really like your channel, and who wants to subscribe to a channel that you don't really like? So just make sure that you know it's something that you actually want to do, because this can pay your bills. This pays my bills, okay? This pays my bills.
Okay guys, so one more thing that is major key when you're doing your videos, you want to make sure your video is at least 10 minutes long, because it allows YouTube to put a lot of ads on a video that's 10 minutes or longer. If it's shorter, it's not really a lot of time to place a lot of ads. Also, do not use any copyright music, because the video will be monetized, but it's the persons that own the music that will be getting paid out. And also, you want to make sure that you don't use any indecent language or anything sexual, so that you don't want YouTube to flag your video or even remove your channel. So that's just some tips you guys can consider when creating your videos.
So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you can make money on YouTube in 2020, and that is how much I made for my first payment. And if you get monetized, by the way, and you realize that the money has stuck up but your AdSense code no come and so, don't worry, they're still gonna keep your money for you until you receive the PIN. And then the first month, say for example the PIN take 2 months to come, so the first month you actually get paid out, you're gonna get all the money that was stacked up. So that's nothing to worry about. And I think Google AdSense pays out the 15th of every month. I received my first payment around the 21st because I didn't validate my tax information in time, but I think it pays around the 15th of each month. It pays one time every month. So you want to make sure that you put in a lot of work so that when the money actually come, just in case this is your only stream of income, you want to make sure it's something that can last you for the month, pay your bills and so. So yes guys, that is basically it. That is how you can make money on YouTube in 2020. That is how much I made for my first paycheck. Remember, everybody is different. Some people are making millions, zillions, billions. I'm making a decent pocket change. Well, I don't know if it's a lot to you guys or it's not a lot, but it's what I make. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if there's any specific videos that you guys want to see on my channel. See you guys in another video. Bye.